Good morning, students. Class 10, Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.1. In the previous video, we have completed out Exercise 7.1 up to question number 6, and we have already studied about type of quadrilateral and how can we use distance formula to find out type of a quadrilateral, and proof of distance formula. What is the distance formula? In the under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of total value in modulus, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the coordinate of 2 points in which we find out distance. Now we have to continue question number 7. What is the question number 7? Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Let point on the x-axis is equal to x, 0. In the first video of this chapter, we have already studied about point on the x-axis is x, 0 and point on the y-axis is 0, y. So point on the x-axis x, 0 because P हमने पॉइंट को P से मेंशन किया है, P x, 0 is equidistant from A 2, minus 5 and B minus 2, 9. What is the meaning of equidistant? Equal distance. So it's mean this point is equal distance from this and this. So we can say that PA is equal to PB. Equation number 1. So firstly we find out PA and after this PB, and now put the equal. Point P x, 0, point A 2, minus 5, point P x1, y1, x2, y2 using distance formula. In the distance formula, we can apply x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. It's your choice. But in the variable, if x1 and x2, one is variable, so firstly we put the variable to easy the calculation. So we write x minus 2 whole square and 0 minus 5 whole square in modulus. Similarly, distance find out between PB, P and B, and it's a distance between PB in modulus. From equation number 1, PA is equal to PB. When we remove the sign of modulus, we convert the equation to two parts. In first part, RHS is positive and in second part, RHS is negative. Taking square both side to remove under root, दोनों साइड का स्क्वायर करेंगे. And after calculation x is equal to minus 7. Similarly, taking square both side, but we study that this equation and this equation is same, so we stop it because there is no profit to calculate it. So finally x is equal to minus 7. Its mean required point on the x-axis is minus 7, 0. I hope you understood. Note down it. Now question number 8. In question number 8, find the value of y for which the distance between point P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y is 10 unit. So in this question we have to find out value of y and distance between P and Q is 10 unit. So obviously we use distance formula between P and Q. PQ is equal to 10 unit. Equation number 1, PK coordinate and QK coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2 using distance formula. Find out PQ. x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square in the modulus under root 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. From equation number 1, we put the value of PQ is equal to 10. Again, If we remove sign of modulus, then we apply positive sign with RHS and negative sign with RHS in two parts. To remove sign of under root, squaring both side, and same working, squaring both side. But you observe that both equations are same, so we just drop out. हमने इसका कहीं पे छोड़ दिया बिकॉज सेम प्रोसीजर होना है. आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन y plus 3 whole square equal to 36, y plus 3 equal to plus minus 6, taking under root with like sign plus minus, so y plus 3 equal to plus 6 or y plus 3 equal to minus 6, and after calculation y is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 9. I hope you understood. Note down it. Now we have to do question number 9. In the question number 9, if q0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6, so find out the value of x, and after this find the distance between q and r and p and r. Okay, find out value of x, and what is the meaning of equidistant? Yes, equal distance. So we use distance formula in this question again. We use distance formula between q and p and q and r. So what is the value of q? 0, 1, p 5, minus 3, x1, y1, x2, y2. Using distance formula, x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, and after calculation under root 41 in modulus. QR q0, 1 r x, 6, QR x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square under root x square plus 25. From equation number 1, we put QP and QR both equal. To remove the sign of modulus, we apply positive and negative in RHS. So we divide the question into two parts. To remove the under root, squaring both side. Both equations are same. So we stop here because both are same. And after calculating x equal to plus minus 4, it's your answer. So q equal to 0, 1, p equal to 5, 3 and r equal to 4, 6, and r equal to minus 4, 6 is also possible because x equal to plus minus 4. So in the both column qr and pr, find out self using distance formula qr and pr. I hope you understood. Note down it. Now question number 10. Question number 10 same as a question number 9, question number 7, because in the question number 7, question number 9 and question number 10 the word equidistance is used. And what is the meaning of equidistant? Equal distance. तो ही सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है. ये पॉइंट इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है इन दोनों पॉइंट से. सो वी यूज डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला बिटवीन पी ए एंड पी पी. सेम प्रोसीजर, राइट कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पी एंड ए using distance formula. Pa equal to this, because we write the variable first, so this minus this whole square plus this minus this whole square. Similarly p and b, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. From equation 1 आप दोनों को इक्वल रखोगे and remove the sign, remove modulus. Then we divide the question to two part. In the first part RHS is positive, in the second part RHS is negative. To remove sign of under root, squaring both side, also squaring both side, but we get same equation, so we remove it. And after calculation a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and after calculation we find out a equation between x and y. सेम क्वेश्चन है. सो exercise 7.1 is complete. In the next video we start section formula and exercise 7.2. Thank you.